Mira and Anil loved their son Arav deeply, but when it came to discipline, they were always on opposite sides. Anil believed in strict rules. Children need boundaries, he said. Mira believed in softness. Children need understanding, she replied. When Arav broke a rule, Anil raised his voice. Mira rushed to protect him. Slowly, Arav became confused. Sometimes he was punished, sometimes he was saved. He didn't know which parent to trust. One evening, Arav refused to do his homework. Anil shouted. Mira argued back. Their voices grew louder than Arav's silence. He went to his room and cried, feeling like the reason his parents fought. That night, Mira noticed Arav hadn't eaten. She sat beside him and asked gently, "What's wrong?" He whispered, "I don't know which parent to listen to. I feel scared all the time." Those words broke both parents. Later that night, Mira and Anil sat together quietly. For the first time, they didn't argue. They listened. They realized that their disagreement was hurting their child more than his mistakes ever did. They decided to talk first before reacting. They agreed on rules together and explained them calmly to Arav. When discipline came from teamwork instead of conflict, Arav felt safer. Discipline worked better when love stood in front of it, not anger.